If you're behind firehouse, stay here. Okay, there's no one behind firehouse, I think. Unless they're just not being nice.
I'm hit.
So there was someone behind firehouse.
I'm hit. I'm not gonna say anything if I'm hit. Can't shoot him.
I'm just joking. Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy. I love ya.
That's a little bit too much.
I don't fucking care. See on the back. You're free to come in here. There's no one else in here.
No, I'm good.
I'm the only one in here with a pistol. And I'm out of gas.
Okay, I'm coming in.
I'm hit though, so don't worry about it.
Oh, you're hit? Okay. I would come in there, but I feel like you're joking.
No, you can come in here. You'll see my hand up.
Sure.
I'm right here by the door, so if you peek in, you can see my hand.
Yell for your medic. Yell for your medic. Medic, if you get hit in the head, come meet me at the tower.
Okay.